Sometimes we need to wait for the completion of many tasks before doing something else. Let me show you how to do this. So I'm going to create 3 completable futures to represent 3 asynchronous tasks. Here's the first one. We set this to completable future that's supply async. And here we return 1. Here's our second task. We return 2, and here's the third task. Now, we want to wait for all these tasks to complete before doing something else. To do that, we call completable future dot all of. Now look at the signature of this method. Here we have completable future dot dot dot. This is called var args, which means a variable number of arguments. We can pass 0 or more arguments. So I'm going to pass first, second, and third. Now this will return a new completable future that will complete when all of these completable futures complete. So let's store the result over here. Look at the type of this variable. That is a completable future of void. Why is it void? Because each completable future may return a different data type. One might return a string, another completable future might return an integer. So there is no way for us to know what is the final result. That is why this is a completable future of void. It's like a task that will complete when many other tasks complete. Okay? So here we can write all that then run. Here we pass a runnable object. And then print all tasks completed successfully. Let's run our program. So here's the message. But what if we want to get the result of each of these completable future objects? Well, that is very easy. We can call first that get. This will return the result of the first completable future. But in this case, this method is not going to block the current thread because this code, this task, is going to get executed asynchronously when all these tasks are complete. So at this point, when we call the get method on any of these completable futures, we get the result immediately because the result is ready. So we get the result of the first task and store it here. First result. Now we should wrap this inside a try-catch block. So we get the first result and then print it. So here's the first result and our final message.